I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play pirate games on Linux. We will cover several exciting ways to get your favorite swashbuckling adventures running smoothly. First, we will look at native options, then dive into powerful compatibility tools like Proton and Wine. Finally, we will explore emulation and virtual machines for even more choices. Get ready to set sail on the high seas from your Linux desktop. Many excellent pirate games are built directly for Linux. You can find these treasures on platforms like Steam, which offers hundreds of Linux-native titles, and GOG.com. Always check the game system requirements to ensure compatibility with your distribution. Websites like ProtonDB also provide valuable community-driven information on how well games run, even those not natively supported. This ensures a smooth sailing experience. For Windows-only pirate games, Proton is your first mate. Integrated with Steam, it allows you to play thousands of titles with minimal setup. For games outside of Steam or older classics, Wine provides a robust compatibility layer. You can install Wine through your Linux distribution's package manager, often with a simple command. These tools bridge the gap, bringing a vast library of games to your Linux system. If you crave retro pirate adventures, emulators can bring classic console games to life on Linux. For more demanding or highly specific Windows titles, a virtual machine running Windows is an option. This creates a separate operating system environment within your Linux desktop. Be sure your system has ample resources, such as at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for optimal performance. Happy pirating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.